Dang, I guess I overslept. Well, no wonder, it's still freaking dark outside.
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。どれどれ？
Sultan, what are you?
Oh my god MJ, I was right, there is Jeff the Killer and Slenderman and other cool creepypastas in this mansion. This is literally so cool.
Well, no duh, that's kinda why I brought y'all here. Anyways, I'm gonna go get dressed.
O kurwa!
Who is it?
It's Zig. Can you come deal with this, please?
Alright, I'll be out in a second. Which room?
The kitchen.
What are you guys doing?
MJ, tell him to get off of the counter, it's not safe.
Stay off the counter, lil bro. Anyways guys, since it's raining really hard outside, do y'all wanna do some chill inside stuff?
Yeah, totally. Did anyone have anything in mind?
I don't know, we'll figure something out.
A few moments later.
Oh, hey EJ, what's up? Sorry we took your room by the way.
It's whatever. Can I hang out with you guys? Jeff's being an ass.
That checks out. Yeah, you can hang out with us, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Hey MJ. Are you okay, dude? You've been starting out of that window for a while.
Yeah, I'm okay, lol. I just like to appreciate the beauty of rain when it happens, you know?
Yeah, I guess I get that, lol. I just wanted to tell you we ordered pizza and it's in the kitchen if you wanted any.
Oh, alright. I'll come join y'all in a bit.
Alright then.